start with chapter number 13, means of transport. In this chapter, we will study about different means of transport. The movement of what is transport? First, let's study about transport. What is transport? Transport is movement from one place to another. अगर आपको एक place से दूसरी place जाना है, what we use transport to go from all the long distances, and which makes our journey very easy. Now, let's start with the chapter. The movement of people or goods from one place to another is called transportation. In ancient time, people used to move in vehicles. Ancient time में जो लोग थे, they used to move in vehicle driven by animals. जो animals driven थे, like bullock carts. लोग bullock carts में बैठते थे और एक place से दूसरी place जाते थे. Elephants are used to transport log of woods. और elephants जो थे, इनका use किया जाता था logs of wood को forest में ले जाने के लिए. Camels are used in desert. They can stay without water for many days. That's why camels are known as ship of desert. What we call them? We call them ship of desert. Mules are used in hilly areas because they are sure-footed. उनको hilly areas में use कर जाते हैं क्योंकि उनके foot होते हैं, वो sure-footed होते हैं. If you have gone to very hilly region, आप कभी, for example, आप वैष्णो देवी भी जाएंगे तो there you may see mules that carry people to the temple. Then what happened? Later, people started using simple vehicle like cycle, rickshaw, tricycle. These vehicles do not have any engine. And they do not have any engine. By these vehicles, we used to travel short distances. आप कैसे distance travel करते थे? Short distance. Nowadays, we have many advanced and fast-moving vehicles. Now we travel on land. On land पे travel करते हैं through air and water. What are these? These are the different means of air transport. We have divided means of transport into three main groups. That is land transport. What is land transport? Which moves on land like car, bus, truck, scooter, auto rickshaw. What are these? These are the land transport. These are the transport that moves on land, but they do not move on tracks. They take us to long distances. What they do? They take us to long distances. Next is water transport, one of the oldest means of transport. We travel on ship, steamer, water boat, which travel very fast. There are some slow-moving water transport like boat or yacht. What are these? These are slow-moving water. Next is air transport. We can cover nearly long distance in short time by traveling through air. आप क्या कर सकते हो? Long distances को through air transport आप short time में क्या कर सकते हो? Travel कर सकते हो. For example, your aeroplanes, helicopter, rockets, jet plane are vehicles that move in the air. Where they move? They move in the air. Now our chapter has been completed. Let's quickly revise about it. What we have studied about transportation. Transportation is used to carry people and goods from one place to another. We have classified means of transport into two parts. Three parts: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land आपके land पे चलती है. Roadways, railways दोनों होती है. Water transport जो water में चलती है. Air transport जो आपकी air में. What are these? These are the different means of transport. Now let's do the exercise of the chapter. First is, we can cover long distances by air, land, all of these. आप long distances किससे क्या कर सकते हो? दोनों से कर सकते हो, land से भी और air से भी. Land से आप railway से कर सकते हो. Now, who is the ship of desert? Horse, camel, elephant? It is camel. Dash are used to transport logs of wood. What are these? Elephants. Dash is used in the desert for transport. Horse, elephant, या horse. So camel. Now, we fill in the blanks. Dash are used in hilly areas. They are known as mules. Dash are cycle and rickshaw. Land transport. Car is a dash transport. Land transport. Aeroplane is a air transport. Aeroplane कैसा transport है? It's a air transport. Name 3 vehicle in each of the following type. Air transport. Air में आपका aeroplane, helicopter, and then rocket. Now, land vehicle with engine. Car, bus, train. Train, it comes under land vehicle. Land vehicle में आती है, but it moves on the railway track. Now answer the following question. Define land transport. Land transport are the transport that moves on land. Define air transport. Air transport are the transport that moves through air. Water transport. Water transport are the transport that moves in a water, like ship, yacht. How many types of transport we have? 3. Land transport, air transport, and water transport. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.